Crystal Beach.
So this is my pup Scooter. He is 14 years old and he is the fastest wiener dog there ever was. If we brought him to the race, he would win. He would come into first place, but he has a little bit of car anxiety and he also has a little bit of social anxiety. He's scared of other groups of people in pubs. So we would love to bring him to the Wiener Dog Races, but we know for his own mental health that he should probably stay home. But we love wiener dogs. Look, I got my wiener dog necklace and my wiener dog pin, which I think I'm gonna put on my purse. And my weenie dog, such a good boy.
I'm gonna burn even though I'm putting on SPF 50.
What are we doing? First person to see what?
First person to spot a mullet wins.
Hey, before you're sitting out there eating those crabs and everything.
I'm so bad at putting these on.
I found the Texas Crab Festival through a simple Google search of Wiener Dog Races near me. The Texas Crab Festival once a year hosts these Wiener Dog Races. They started off the events with the owners introducing their dogs. Some are speedy, some are stubborn, some were dressed up, but every single dog was adorable. After all the wiener dogs got their grand introduction, it was time for the race.
Set, go! Set, go! Go! place winner, Dunkin' Donuts. Good job, Duncan. Spend that $50 wisely. Scarlett. Second place. 2021 Wiener Dog Race. And Scarlett, you ran a great race, baby. $150. Okay, there's some doggy treats coming there. Okay. And how many years is this she's won? 3 or 4? 3 or 4 years. So Dottie, come back next year, defend your championship, defend your honor, and we'll do it again.
Also taking place this weekend at the Texas Crab Fest was a Crab Gumbo Cook Off. For just $5, you can buy a cup and try the different gumbo dishes in the competition.
Donnie Brewer, world champion chef, in my own mind.
Where you from?
Savor, originally Carolina. The east coast of the Carolinas, grew up in the swamps of North Carolina, so same old recipes that they use in Louisiana, same thing.
Oh, okay.
Same old thing.
Wow.
Oh, it's good.
Wow.
We got line too late.
One more. We're down.
I'm gonna share it. So.
Oh, okay, there you go. What do you think?
All right, give it a try.
Give it a try. Go. That'll expense.
Oh man, we get to
Ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee.
That's good. I don't know if you are gonna want to try this or not. I have to. Wow. All right, I'll let you try it.
Okay.
several blue crab, and then we smoke them. And then we had cod. I don't know if you know what cod, but a cod fillet is about $20 a fillet.
You're good.
And this had 6 fillets in it.
Wow.
And then we smoked it on the smoker early this morning, chopped it up, smoked the chicken breast, chopped it up. So it's good. And then there's a secret weapon in ours nobody knows. I can't do it because he's recording me. That's all I'm going to tell you.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's so good.
Here, give him another scoop so we can clean the pot.
Yeah, we're getting ready to clean up.
After eating some delicious gumbo, we then headed over to check out the RV show.
Local RV vendors have their RVs on display for all of us to look at and buy if you're ready.
I just want to make sure I just want to make sure, because if we get something like this, I just want to make sure I'm tall.
How many people can we get in there?
I'd like a phone book.
Come on in. Oh my gosh. I like this one. Okay, this is the one.
Me and Jen are about to buy a trailer right now.
You got 100?
That's true.
Corn dogs. Looks like got a brisket, crawfish, boudin, Cajun food. Let's do
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs.
That's what we do. Corn dogs. 6.
Last video with Trader's Village, everybody seemed to be super fascinated with corn dogs. You know, they'd never heard of corn dogs, so we decided to get them again. They are the best thing you can get at something like this. Strictly a sausage with cornbread surrounded by it.
Cornbread.
Fried, right?
Deep fried.
Deep fried. Gotta put some mustard on it.
Little stream of mustard.
Mustard and mustard only.
If you put ketchup, he will be mad.
Oh yeah.
Look, corn dog thin right there. Do not put ketchup on a hot dog or a corn dog.
That is wrong.
It's against the rules.
It's open, and that's a good thing.
Arts and crafts section of the Texas Crab Festival, looking around, checking everything out.
Hand him another one. Oh!
No, I think you pay.
Don't you wish those are regulation hoops? I'm not sure.
Wanna do it?
I'd do it for the one time.
Uh-oh.
$5, or you can do 7 balls for $10.
7 balls for $10.
Oh, Lord.
All right, right behind this yellow line right here, okay? This one? That yellow line or this yellow line? No, that's the yellow line. No, right there where you're standing.
The free throw.
He's trying to hustle me, that's all right. I don't know anything about basketball. He's trying to hustle a hustler, it's good. All right,
come up.
Oh!
That's bad.
Come on, Andrew. Oh! Come on!
One more.
Oh!
Would you like to try
Is that it?
Yep, yes,
Okay.
sir. You guys want to have a 7? Yes, sir.
The rim's like an oval, so it's hard to make it. I was long twice. I should have scored. That'd be buckets all day on a normal rim. That's all I'm saying.
Oh! Andrew's over here like, thank God he didn't make it.
Yeah, seriously. Holy crap. Would have been embarrassed. I'd be hurling.
I think I was burnt.
Oh, you think you were burnt?
I put on sunscreen this
Look
morning,
at my
but
feet.
Catch all that.
This is bad. This is gonna be really bad. I got the sandal tan. Sandal tan on.
you're just getting a kickstart for the summer. Well, that was so fun. There was so much to do and it was so exciting. So many wiener dogs. Tonight, if you stay, apparently there's like fireworks, live music, two-stepping. It's a whole shabil.
Good old Texas two-stepping.
All right, Dad, what was your favorite part?
Wiener dogs and beer.
Wiener dogs and beer. What was your favorite part?
Wiener dogs. And the people were great. The gumbo would have been awesome. We only got to try one person's, but
Gumbo guy, yeah.
The gumbo
they ran
guy.
out of
Talking to
cups. You
gumbo
got to get
guy.
there early, get your cups, because it's $5 all you can eat. But we got there a little late.
We didn't know.
But Donnie and Marie's gumbo was excellent.
Well, once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help us get to 300 subs. We're on the road there. And yeah, if you like this video, please follow along for the rest of our journey. Bye.